Two things we need to prep for our cake. We're going to soak a cup of dates in a cup of hot brewed coffee. If you don't have coffee, go ahead and use water, but this is going to give the chocolate a stronger flavor, so whatever you want. We're going to allow that to soak 30 minutes. Secondly, I want you to butter a cake pan, and I want you to line it with parchment paper and butter that as well. This is a springform one. If you have one, it's better. It'll be better for releasing the cake, okay? If you're not using a springform pan, make sure you butter it really well so that your cake doesn't. I have half a cup of unsalted butter and 4 ounces of unsweetened dark chocolate in this pot. I'm just gonna melt it in this little bowl over a little water in this pot. You could do this in a microwave if you wanted to. I'm simply going to stir until it is all melted. Okay, as soon as this is all melted, I'm taking it off the heat. I have 3 egg whites in this bowl. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. You could also do a pinch of salt. Like this. We're just gonna set this aside. Don't bang your beaters against the bowl, okay? We want this to keep its air. I seeded those dates that we soaked. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of that coffee that we used and a teaspoon of vanilla. As always, the recipe will be in the description box at the bottom of the video with grams, okay? I'm going to add 3 egg yolks to this now. Now I'm going to add the melted chocolate. I'm going to sift in a 1/4 cup of unsweetened dark cocoa powder. I'm going to add half a cup of almond flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just mix it until you have nothing dry in there, okay? Don't over mix it. Put in a 1/3 of those egg whites. And we'll fold in the rest. So just carefully fold it in. So this cake doesn't have any baking powders or baking sodas. The eggs will work as an agent to make it rise. All right, we're going to transfer this to our prepared pan. We're going to bake this at 375 Fahrenheit, which is 190 centigrade, for between 15 and 18 minutes, guys. That's it. This took 15 minutes. I put a pick in, it came out clean. I'm gonna let it cool down and then we're unmolded, okay? You can serve this, guys, with whipped cream and berries, or just berries, or just like this. I have some thawed frozen berries here on the island. Good luck finding berries. Well, you can, but they're very, very expensive. So I'm gonna use that. This is soft. Well, it is really good, guys. Those dates and the coffee add a lot, but with those dates, you don't need any sugar. Thank you for watching the video. I'm gonna see you soon.